I can't hear you.
What happened when you type? The place where it said type here. When you
Sir, sir, your voice is still cracking.
can you hear me?
I still can't hear you.
Can you hear
No,
me? You can't.
no, your voice is still cracking. When you talk, when you talk, you don't start cracking.
You can't hear me.
Okay, I can hear you now.
I said when you typed, did you type in the place where it says type here?
Yes,
And what happened when you typed?
um, like,
Hmm?
uh,
You were just busy
it
clicking
didn't,
the button. You didn't
it did not
you
do
didn't
anything.
type, you did not try to type in the place where it says type here.
It didn't do anything when I did it. Look, wait, true. It don't do anything.
So you
Wait,
didn't observe anything.
no, no, sir. It
The
says
place
type.
where
Wait,
it says type password, you didn't notice that it's not typing, it's not showing you typing.
wait.
You didn't see that.
Eh?
Hmm? Didn't you
Wait.
observe that?
I said what?
That when you are typing password, it will hide what you are typing.
Yes, I did. It's like an actual laptop. Because when you type in the password for a laptop, it shows this. So you have to click on this to see it.
Now, what enabled it to behave like that? Because that is a text box. Is it not a text box too?
It is.
So what made it to behave like that? Why is it that it's able to hide the things that you're typing whenever you're
Is it
typing them?
is it because of the placeholder?
When I explained placeholder last week, did I say that's what it does?
Um
If it was because of placeholder, it would have done the same thing now in the one that's on top, because there's placeholder on top, isn't it?
yes.
So what is it that is in the one down that is not in the one on top?
Um where is it? I just saw. Huh? That is
You can't see any difference.
between these two. It shows password.
So why do you think the one down will hide what you're typing and the one on top will not hide it?
Um, um,
Simeon, is because of the type attribute now.
uh,
That's the only thing that controls them. The one on top is saying type text.
I was going to say
It's the type attribute.
input type. I was going to say input type, but I thought I was wrong.
The second one says type password. That's all that controls how they behave. If you
I
change
was
that
going to say,
password to text, if you change that password to text, it will behave exactly like the one on top. In our last class, that place where you have text and where you have password, we had one that had number. Did you see how it behaved?
Yes.
It had those arrows, up and down arrows that you can use to like increase the number and reduce the number. When you click down, it reduces the number. When you click up, it will increase the number. So those are the things that control how that text box behave. If you remove that text now completely, the default is text, and it will behave like a normal text box. But when you want to say, okay, I want this thing to be able to hold a password for me, so that I can, when the person is typing, nobody will be seeing what they're typing, then you use the type attribute password. You understand? So it's not because of the placeholder. The placeholder is just a guide. I told you last week, in the last class, that the placeholder is a guide that tells the person what to type. But as soon as you start typing, it will disappear, isn't it?
It will disappear. Yes.
Then did you see the width attribute?
Yes.
That says 300 px.
Yes.
That's 300 pixels.
Yes.
So that's why it is that wide. So if you want it to be wider than that, you can change that 300 to 400 or 500, okay, and you will see that it will become wider as you specify it.
What? Like this?
Does it look wider than before, than usual?
No.
It's not changing it.
No, it looks the same.
Let me see. Let me see. It's not changing it.
No, sir.
Placeholder.
Sloppy.
Try it again. Try changing it again.
Okay.
It's still looking the same.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Still looking the same.
Okay, I'll have to change that. Now, look at the recreate function up there. That recreate function that gets called when you click on do it. Did you look at what that function is doing?
Sir?
You look at what the function is doing. So what exactly is that function doing? What's the function doing?
Does it like restart or create another thing?
Called recreate up there. What is it doing? What is the function doing? Explain it. Explain how the function works. That's what I'm asking you to do.
Um,
Simeon, what's the problem?
don't know the function we create, Travis.
You don't know what?
What the function we create does.
Do you understand my question at all?
You should explain what does the function do.
Can you see that button there where you have on click?
Oh, yes.
Can you see what the value there for on click is create?
Yes.
Where is the function defined? Where is the function we create? Where is it defined?
Here.
What does that function do? Explain the code inside it. Those two lines, explain it.
So I don't know what it does.
Eh?
I don't know what it does.
Simeon, after how many classes are you telling me this, that you don't know what it does?
I don't know what the recreate does.
Make an attempt to explain it now. Don't just say you don't know.
Does it recreate a button?
Can you explain those lines of code there, for goodness sake?
Um, yeah, I don't know how to explain it. I don't know how to explain it. Hello, sir. Hello.